Let's continue on with the importing of the inventory spreadsheet into the inventory. So we have in front of us here is the structure of the spreadsheet, which has the item ID, description, etc., the UPC, retail, list prices, and cost, etc., classes assigned. To process this file, we'll go into IC, maintenance, and import export. Let's choose the import items. We're going to go into the import file. We're going to locate the file to import. In my particular system, I've created that output folder. I'm going to choose a Excel spreadsheet. So there it is, the Omni Pet Import XLS. I'll choose select. Let me go ahead and turn on this add new items. Then I'll go to import. It'll then indicate that it is initially imported into this viewable screen. There's the item, the 100D BL19, the cost, the list, the price. We could have again had an on-hand quantity, etc., but this exercise is simply to import this list. We'll choose accept import, and then the system will import those 313 items. Once that step is completed, we'll select close here. Let's go look at that item in inventory. We'll go ahead and choose this item, which is the 100D product. And we'll see we have the $9.96 price, the cost. My interest is to see how the vendor relationship came through. There's OmniPet, and then there's the UPC that's related to this item. This item was created on this particular date. Okay. There's all that. So the second step in this exercise is to import the orders related to these products. So if we go into PO, create PO, and we'll bring up the vendor. We'll go to the detail page, and this is where we want to go to this import button to the bottom left. We're going to choose the CSV file. Choose that out of this listing. We're going to go to this file, which is the British rope order relationship here. That looks like this. So if you bring up that order, it is a 3-column CSV file indicating the ID, the quantity, and the cost of that item. We'll go ahead and close out of this so it can open that file when it does this process. So you see here, as we looked earlier in that list, there's that first item, the 3604.68, quantity of 3, and then 997. So that allows you to bring that information in quite quickly instead of having to type that information in. After that's imported into the purchase order, You will then manage that purchase order as you would any normal purchase order process. Thank you.